welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Loko Loves here with all things planning, organization and lifestyle related. So this video, as you can see, is going to be a cloth and paper subscription unboxing. I think I've seen, so the past couple of times I kind of intentionally avoided, well, every single time actually I've done an unboxing, I've avoided looking, but I could not, like, I literally couldn't help it. There were so many sneak peeks out there. So yeah, so I'm not gonna look at the what's inside card for now. I don't have a Penspiration but subscription. Excuse me. So yes, so okay, cool. Even with even with the spoilers, I'm just literally so excited. Okay. Our cloth and paper clip duo is a perfect addition to your daily planning routine. From hold your spot on a page to storing your favorite quote cards, the capabilities of these are endless. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't watch how much I was tempted to open this. Ambush. Oh, I don't want to damage it. Ooh. I think they're both the same. Yeah. Oh, they're so soft. I don't know why I didn't expect them to be as soft as they are. Cool. Oh, okay. So this one is like, it's matte, but it's not matte. I don't know how to describe it. It's like velvety, but like velvety matte. And then this is like a, this is like got, what's this called? You can tell, like you can see it. I don't know what that is called, that material over it. It's like a glossy. So there's those. Okay. Then, oh, another notebook. Don't. Okay, I've not seen this yet. Okay. All white cloth and paper. Oh my gosh, it's like a folder system thing. There's like pockets in here. How many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets. And it's the same size as the other, well, it looks exactly the same size as the other, like the notebook that we got. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, love. Okay, and then let's see, this is super exciting. I don't see any inserts this month, which, I mean, to be fair, I've got my, yeah, let me not even go there. Right, let's see, journaling cards. I'm seeing, that means I'm happy. Even though I'm opening this, like, it's actually, okay, well, we love a calendar card over here. Ooh, a measuring ruler. Oh, I literally follow this. Oh, I love this. I literally follow the 50-30-20 rule for my savings. So 50% of your income goes into your like needs, so like essential spending, and then well, I do 20% to like savings and investments, and then 30% to everything else basically once. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Leather care. Hold on. If you're telling me that we've got a leather planner in here, I'm going to scream. Okay, I'm a bit shook. Right now. So let's see. Do you know what? Yeah, I see what they did, because I thought I saw all of the spoilers and stuff. Even with the spoilers, like this, I love. Like I just love everything. I saw, to be fair, I think I only saw the clips, and I don't know what else. We'll see what I saw. Oh, okay. I use budget binders. So I'm very happy with this. I think I saw these as well, actually. So these are like yeah, cash, like budget binder cards kind of thing, so you can keep track of what you've got if you're taking or adding, etc. So this is good because I actually, for some people, I know some people don't use like that, but I'm definitely starting that journey, so that's real good. I'm guessing it's like a finance theme. I mean, I guess. What? Pocket Plus monthly admin. Okay. They are, I'm trying to think in my head straight away, like, would I rather use this for personal or work? This is so good. Wow. Okay, this is nice. And I don't have, like, I literally just have my A5. And I have an A5 for work, A5 for personal. But it's just something quick that I can just reference. So I probably will just use this as, like, personal with work-related stuff as well. It's just a monthly overview with, like, I guess people talk about the Hobonichi style with the grid on the side. This is good. I love everything so far. I love everything. Okay. There is, okay. What? I'm spun right now. I'm spun. This is beautiful, firstly. This is cute. This is very cute, very nice. Oh, front and back. Okay. Okay. I'm shook. I am shook. I have not seen. Okay, we've got a dust bag. Sorry, my hands are always dry, but it's because I wash my hands before, like, these videos. And then I don't want to put cream on them because I don't. Oh my. This is super cute. This is super cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, it's like, well, it's leather, obviously. I say obviously, like it might not be obvious, but it's leather. It's really sturdy. It's like super sturdy, which is crazy. It's a folio. It's got cloth and paper in gold at the bottom. And yeah, let's see. Oh wow. Pen loop. Okay, so is this a pocket? Yes, it's an actual pocket. At the top, some card slots, 1, 2, and 3. This is beautiful. And like a pen loop, which may need to be stretched out. Okay, and then I have my notebook, but it's at, like, the notebook that looks like this, but it's at work. So, because instantly, that's my, like, thought. This is cute. This is super cute. This is super cute. Door hanger, plan in progress. Please come in. That's super cute. When I get a folder, when I move out and I get my, like, when I move, basically, and I get my office, that is going to be hanging on the door. Trust and believe. Okay, let's see. This is nice. Okay, acrylic girl problems. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna do this right now. How beautiful is that? Do you know what? I'm gonna keep it on here. I'm gonna keep my notebook for work, but this is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh no, it does fit. No. Yes, it does. Oh. Absolutely stunning. I'm blown away this month. Oh, yay. Love absolutely everything. Blown away by this box. So yeah, let me know what your favorite item was, and let me know just in terms of my videos what you want to see next from me. I hope you really enjoyed this, because I did. Let me know what you want to see next from me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.